Good afternoon on this increasingly cloudy, glowing, beautiful, dark afternoon in the greater Bloomington metropolitan area and central Illinois. This is Vincenzo'S Gold, where you come to get a one-of-a-kind, probability-based Targisian trading alert. Like, subscribe, and share. I am not a financial advisor, nor do I play one on my own radio station and network or wherever else you may share me in this beautiful, glowing, magical world of the internet radio, the new radio. Now, we can see another pattern forming. We called that bear pennant in Litecoin twice, and it broke down the second one today. We might be forming one in Bitcoin now after a big crash this morning from $42,000 almost all the way down at its low to $36,000. That's a big crash. And we're going to do on the fly TA what we're going to look at now. And notice how that downsloping 50 is following it very closely, because that's what always usually happens. The 50 will be downsloping overhead resistance, and that usually follows the top of whatever pattern is being formed. And now here we're going to use, again, we're going to make this look more professional, down into our patterns. We're going to go down, I only need 3 of them. Here's what I think is going to happen here. We're going to come down and retest and confirm now that this is another bear pennant, right? And then we're going to come up. And then scenario 1 is we break down, right? But one thing on the fly TA I'm noticing after this last crash, right? Let me get my company favorite drawing tool. There it is. After this crash, no, that's still an up and sideways consolidation. It can kind of trick you, and it looks like it's down. It could kind of be, it's kind of both, right? Because there's where you're at. And now you're consolidating like that. That's kind of a down and sideways consolidation. So that could be a bullish reversal pattern. And if it is the targeted move, I'm going to keep an eye on that, because it looks bearish, like this is a bear pennant. But the way that it's sort of down and sideways consolidation, you could say you're in a falling channel, right? Which is a continuation pattern, bearish, but can be a reversal pattern, a temporary reversal pattern, right? But the targeted move out of here would be like this if it broke up. Because it's a bear pennant, but bear pennants can break bullish, and you got to try to decipher the way the pennant looks to see if it's going to break up. See, if that broke up, that would make sense, because then you would come to the overhead 200 downsloping green line at like the 38,000 level, and then you would continue the crash. So those are your two choices. Here's your target. I'm gonna kind of obscure this into the background. Oop, wrong one. Put that into the background to get it out of the way. And then here we're gonna draw this. Here's your other option. If this breaks bullish, you're still gonna come down after, but if it breaks bullish, to know what to look for so you don't get hyped and shysted by the criminal gangster cartel like Jim Harbaugh has 21 out of 22 years in COVID this year, right? This is your other option. You come down and retest, then you come up, and then you meander. I needed one more. Fuck. I need the one with the 3. Hold on. You come down, you come up the same, then you come down, and then you blast off to the target, right? And then you come down. See what I'm saying? That could happen too. Scenario A, sort of bullish. You could break bullish out of this bear pennant and then crash. It'll just be one big fake out, or you just break down out of it, right? And then your targeted move would be, you guys know how to do these targeted moves now, my audience. You go from the top of the pole to the bottom of the flag, and then you bring it to the point of a breakout, and that would be your target, which would be getting very close to retesting that $31,000 low from the other day. Quick Bitcoin pattern recognition. 2 choices, 2 options. Like, subscribe, and share. Donate to the channel. Peace and love. Peace and love.